Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to show hidden folders and files on your Mac operating system. It's very simple tips and tricks. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Finder. So I just simply show it to you. Here is my user account. User account name is a Singh, and here several hide files are available, files or folders. So how I open those files and folders? You need simply command plus shift plus period means dot button. So I just simply press command shift and dot means period button like this. So look at this, all hidden files and folders are displayed here. Very easy and simplest way. This is a process. If you want again hide, so again you type same button and all data is hide. So this is a simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.